welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 10 money habits for 2024, proven strategies to change your financial life. It's about building the right habits, consistently. These habits will put you on the path to financial freedom. Grab a notebook, and let's dive in. Let's be real, nobody gets rich by accident. It takes discipline, dedication, and the right habits. Financial habits are the small, everyday decisions you make with your money. They compound over time, just like interest. Adopt the right habits to build real, sustainable wealth. I know, budgeting. It sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry, right? But trust me, budgeting is the most important financial habit. It's your financial roadmap, showing where your money goes. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend. Find a budgeting method that works for you and stick with it. Saving money isn't about what's left over, it's about making it a priority. Pay yourself first. Before rent or groceries, set aside savings. Create a financial safety net. Start small if needed. Automate your savings. Saving money is great, but to build real wealth, you need to invest it. Investing puts your money to work, so it grows over time. The magic of investing is compound growth. Start early, more time means exponential growth. Even small investments now can grow. Time is your greatest asset in investing. The world of finance is constantly changing. That's why it's crucial to become a lifelong learner when it comes to your finances. Today, there's a wealth of free information available at your fingertips. From blogs and podcasts to YouTube channels and online communities, you can find a plethora of resources to educate yourself. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. High-interest debt is like a financial anchor, weighing you down and preventing you from reaching your full financial potential. The first step to tackling high-interest debt is to stop digging the hole any deeper. Avoid taking on any new debt and focus on paying down your existing debt as quickly as possible. Create a debt repayment plan, prioritize the debts with the highest interest rates, and consider debt consolidation strategies if it makes sense for your situation. Becoming debt-free is a crucial step towards building wealth. Imagine setting out on a road trip without a destination in mind. You'd just be driving aimlessly, right? The same goes for your finances. Without clear financial goals, it's easy to lose sight of what you're working towards. Financial goals provide direction and motivation. They give you something tangible to strive for and help you stay focused on your financial journey. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable milestones and track your progress regularly. Living below your means doesn't mean depriving yourself or living a life of scarcity. It's about being mindful of your spending, prioritizing your values, and making conscious choices with your money. It's about delaying gratification in the short term to achieve long-term financial freedom. Challenge yourself to differentiate between needs and wants. Remember, the less you spend, the more you can save and invest, which ultimately accelerates your path to wealth. Relying on a single source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. It's risky. Creating multiple streams of income provides a safety net and accelerates your wealth-building journey. It could be starting a side hustle, freelancing, investing in rental properties, or exploring passive income opportunities. The key is to leverage your skills, interests, and resources to create additional income streams. Not only does this provide financial security, but it also opens up new opportunities. Diversifying your income allows you to reach your financial goals faster. Your financial journey is not a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process that requires regular review and adjustment. Life is dynamic, your income changes, your expenses fluctuate, and your goals evolve. At least once a year, sit down and review your budget, your investments, your debts, and your financial goals. By regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan, you can ensure that you're always moving in the right direction and making the most of your money. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Let's make 2024 the year of financial freedom. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Implement these habits to achieve your financial goals. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning. The power to change your future is in your hands.